Hello everyone! As you know, in Finty, you can send repair tickets, repair status updates, and online invoices via SMS to keep your clients informed about every stage of their device repair process. However, as you can see, this error message is appearing for this account. The reason for this is that we previously used Twilio for sending SMS messages in Finty, but we've now switched to BulkGate. In this account, I have SMS credit available, but since I haven't linked Finty to BulkGate yet, instead of showing my actual credit balance, it just displays SMS credit here. To enable the SMS service, we need to link Finty to BulkGate. Let me show you how to set it up and start using BulkGate. Step 1. Register on BulkGate. First, you need to create an account on the BulkGate website. As you can see here, it states that you must have a business email to sign up. But don't worry. Thanks to our negotiations with them, you can also register using your personal email. Just keep in mind that your email might be rejected at first. If that happens, simply send them an email explaining that you need the account for Finty, and they will approve your registration. Step 2. Activating the API in BulkGate. Once you've signed up, log into your account and go to the Module and API section. Look for the HTTP Simple API module and click Create API to activate it. Step 3. Connecting BulkGate to Finty. Now you need to link BulkGate to Finty. Here, you need to copy the application ID and application token from BulkGate and paste them into their corresponding fields in Finty's Users menu and Profile Service. Open Finty, go to the Users menu, and open Profile Service. Copy the application ID from BulkGate and paste it into the corresponding field in Finty. To view and copy the application token, you'll need to enter your BulkGate account password. Then go back to Finty and paste the token into the required field. And as you can see, the messaging service is now activated. As you can see, after reloading the page, my SMS credit is now visible. I should mention that topping up or purchasing SMS credit can only be done in BulkGate, not in Finty. To do this, simply click on Top Up Credit, complete your payment, and your balance will automatically update in Finty too. By using BulkGate, you'll get detailed reports on your sent messages and enjoy lower SMS rates for your notifications. I hope this guide helps you set up BulkGate and Finty easily. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. Thanks for watching.